Hello everybody, meteorologist Hutch Johnson joining you. I gotta tell you, that storm missed us to the south as forecast, and not quite as lucky in Minneapolis, where blizzard conditions left quite a little bit of snow out there. Upwards of 1 foot of snow in the southern metro area down towards parts of Iowa, where travel conditions are still rough and tumble. Right now I'm reporting from sunny, well, partly sunny, South Arizona, and the temperature here 69 degrees, Fargo 27 with a north breeze. I'll keep you updated right here. You're watching Hutch's Weather.